guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to try out the new Becca Volcano collection. I only got the highlight from the collection. It just looked the most interesting to me, but it did include an eyeshadow palette and some lip glosses, but they had a yellow highlight and I tend to very much like those. So we are going to try this out, see if it's worth the 38 bucks. And yeah, this should be a little mini review. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. Let's get into this video. Okay, so this is the packaging. Becca always has, to me, still one of the best highlighting formulas when they come out with a new one. I did a review on the tangerine one months ago, and at first I was like, I thought this was going to be more tangerine, but I wear that one all the time. So even though at first I was like, what is this? It's become one of my favorites this year, especially summertime, which it's still summer in Arizona, so I can wear that for a long time. I can wear that year round. But yes, I did decide to get this one. It is limited edition. In the pictures, I'm going to throw up a picture here. It looks very yellowy, and I really enjoy these. But I opened this up, and I'm a little bit like, it does not look as yellow to me as it does on the pictures. So we will see. It could be like the last one I put it on and I'm like, I don't care, I still love it. But if it's just a gold highlight, you know, 38 bucks, I might not keep this. So let's go ahead and put this on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna take it with the JH09 brush and see what happens. I don't have any highlight on right now. Let's go to this side. I don't think I need to wet it. I don't want that intense of a shine. Becca's, I feel like, are perfectly shiny on their own, so I don't think they need any extra, you know? Like, I think this is probably like as highlighted I would go. We will try it on the inner corner, so let's go in. I feel like it matches my fall vibes that aren't here yet. Maybe if I wear fall makeup, fall will come. So it's definitely pretty. I do like it. I don't know if I'm in love with it yet. I thought it was going to be more of a yellow tone, but I still really like it. Like, when I think yellow tones, I think of Jeffree Star. Like, I feel like a lot of people thought this was going to be like Fenty. I don't think it's like the Fenty one at all, to be honest. It does have that yellow shift, I guess, when you're in here. When you're looking at my face. It does say it has a pink reflect in it. I don't know if you guys can see the pink reflect. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't know about these. But I thought it was going to be more like the Jeffree Star Snow Cone, which I love, but it dropped it. And I never use it now because it's just a mess when I open it. You know, it's like, you dropped it and I was just like, no, God! No, God, please, no! 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 But yeah, it's this mess here. But I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys and kind of show you what I mean. I don't know how to put this thing back together, but it was definitely one of my favorite highlights. I just don't want to pay for a new one because I guess I can still use it. I just haven't been reaching for it. But yeah, this is the Jeffree Star one, and this is the Becca one. And you can tell the Becca one is so much deeper. So I thought it was going to have more of that yellow hue based on like the pictures and stuff. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm kind of just like, it's okay. Give me a mustache. But it's definitely not as yellow as I thought, so I don't know my thoughts on this, if I'm going to keep it or not. I think it's pretty. I just feel like I have so many golds that I don't probably need another one. All right, let's dip back in and just do what we do with highlighters and put it everywhere that's not necessary. But I mean, I do think it's pretty. I just don't know if it's not like what I had imagined in my head. I thought it was going to be more of a yellow, but I guess it does have that yellow shift, but it's definitely a gold. So I think on deeper skin tones, this is going to be super pretty. I still think it looks okay on mine. But yeah, it's not as yellowy as I thought it was going to be, or as intense. It's kind of just, I don't know. So let me know your guys' thoughts about it. It is 38 bucks. Like I said, I think Becca, no matter what the shade they come out with, their formula is great. It's definitely one of my favorite for highlighters, and I definitely have quite a few. More than I need. So I don't know if I'm going to add this collection or if I'm going to return it. But I would say I did order it online, because if you are new to Becca Cosmetics, or you just have a lot of email addresses, you can get 20% off. So it was 30 bucks instead of the 38, which made it a little bit more okay. So who doesn't love a discount? But yeah, let me know your opinion if you like it, if you're picking anything up from the Goddess Collection. I just, you know, Becca's not someone I really go to for eyeshadow palettes, and maybe that will change in the future, but for right now I was just kind of like, eh. The collection wasn't anything I was like super excited about. I was more just like excited for the highlighter, and now I'm just kind of like, I'd go on a second date with you. That's how I feel about it. But you better impress me on the second date. Alright, so I hope you guys like this little quick easy tutorial. Not tutorial, this little quick easy review. And please give it a thumbs up if you like these quick, easy, fast reviews. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.